Have you ever felt helpless watching on your DVR cameras as subjects leave your property after committing a crime?
The police will tell you there's nothing I can do about it now, they're long gone. And so you're left to clean up this mess, deal with insurance, deal with replacing vehicles that were stolen or what have you.
A drone automated response patrol may be the answer to that.
We have clients that use drones as an automated response so that when there is a breach on the perimeter of their property, we get an alert and we dispatch a drone. It's moving it the whole time too, so it's following the subject. It's giving you what a fixed camera that's just looking straight ahead is not able to do.
The drones are equipped with speakers and spotlights. The spotlight is very bright to illuminate a subject. This is very helpful when integrating with ground-based officers. When those officers respond, the subject's already lit up so they can see if they have anything in their hands, and they can quickly identify where the person is to help with response time. Speaker also allows for direct communication with the subject by the pilot or even to the officers.
To the person in the gray shirt near the dumpster, you are trespassing. Officers have been dispatched.
The integration with the officers works very naturally too, with our pilots working in our dispatch center and able to directly connect with the officers. All of these are factors that separate our automated response patrol security drones from a traditional DVR-based camera system.
So whether having a drone patrol your property 8 to 10 times a night is the best solution for you, or pairing it with an automated response to any perimeter breach, or having a guard be the first response to that subject that's on your property at night, Titan Protection can give you the most comprehensive solution and save you money in the long run.